how to set up Vodafone International Calling Pack. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get My Vodafone application from your Play Store or your App Store. So after getting that application, here what you're going to do is make sure that you're logged into account. Simply tap on login and then add in the credentials of your Vodafone account and make sure you're logged in, right? So after doing that, what are we going to do is now get on the add-on or extra or manage pack option that you'll be able to see on your homepage once you log in. So all you need to do is simply tap on that particular option. Then from there, what we're going to do is now browse the available option and select the international calling pack. So after doing that, review the monthly cost and included countries. Then you can tap on add to plan or activate. After doing that, wait for a confirmation SMS before making an international call, and that is exactly how you'll be able to set up Vodafone International Calling Pack. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that is it for the video.